Well, I've cured the bacon up for 7 days in the fridge with a brown sugar and maple syrup recipes, and I got about 18 pounds of it here on the smoker, and see if we can get this piggy done tonight. This be today's project, folks. And since I've already put out a recipe on how we do our smoking of our bacon and stuff, you're welcome to look it up on YouTube. I thought I'd show you what's for dinner. We were blessed by one of our Priestley friends to get up north to Alaska, and he got some salmon. So we're going to take some of this salmon and smoke that up tonight. I've also got a thing on how I do my fish. I've got it sitting here in a tray, but eventually we're going to throw it in on some grates or maybe even some wood. I'll see if I want to plank it or not. This has got the skin on it, so I'm probably going to actually smoke it that way. I think I might keep it together a little better. I'm going to butter top it right before it goes in and stuff. So, it's what we're doing on the farm today. I'll keep you posted as we go along. So what my game plan is here, I'm probably going to take it up to, 175, 200. See if I can bring the pig up to probably around 150. I'm going to do it with some hickory tonight. And then I'm going to switch gears once I get done with the hickory. And I'm probably going to use some moist apple. I got some dry stuff, but I got some that's moist, but it makes a pretty good smoke. And I will fire up the box and I'll finish the fish with an apple. So it's always fun to smoke in the fall, some of the produce you have. All right, we're almost there. I got a couple more pieces in there. They're at 146 and 148. These already have hit 150, so I'm going to put them away. We're making progress, and we're getting ready for the salmon. All right, the last of the piggy is done. We've hit 153 degrees on the temp there, so we are doing great. Look at that bacon. In a night or so, we'll slice that up once it's cooled off. All right, it's getting dark out here. As we get into our evening time, we're going to put some salmon on the grill. I've buttered these up, and I'm going to smoke them. Make some beautiful salmon tonight. Isn't that gorgeous looking? Oh, I love it. Smoked salmon for dinner. It's pretty meat. There we go. Probes in it. Probes in it. Put a couple of the probes in it just so I can tell when they're up to temp. There. Smoke some salmon. Folks, we're finally getting there. About 132. I don't want it going over 140 on these guys. So we're going to start popping this free, and we're going to get to our dinner. Salmon it be. Oh, look at that. Is that not a pretty sight? Let's see if I can slide that out. Gotta get my glove on here. Oh, look at that salmon. Is that not good? Fresh salmon. Oh, gotta love it, folks. I'm going to grab them, get them onto the tray. Get that stuff in there a little bit. And we are going to eat well tonight, folks. I appreciate you watching as we did some pork here. And I'm going to show you a little clip here at the end of us cutting it up and packing it away. But for this second, I'm going in and eating dinner. Catch you in a minute as I show you how we finish the pork the next day. All right, we're making some bacon up now. It's the next day. This has all been refrigerated and gotten cold. We got the bag sealer here going. We're sealing up the ends on it quick. So let's get into this. We're going to open this up. We're going to get our slices going. We're going to get it into the bags, and we'll show the final process. of how we put it away for the season so that we can eat it throughout the year. All right, there's all the bacon. The delicious, wonderful bacon. Look at those piles of bacon. Looks awesome. So right now we're going to start vacuuming, sealing them up. There we go. This is how we make bacon on the farm, folks. Get it vacuum sealed down. Call it a day. This will go into the freezer, and this will be all the bacon the family needs for the whole entire year. Look at that. Nice piece of bacon, that's for sure. All sealed up and looking great. We'll get it labeled up 2023. Into the freezer will go. Sure hope you enjoyed watching us go through and process the bacon in the last couple days. It's kind of fun to get it done. It's part of the process here on the farm, making our own bacon. So thank you folks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow our channel on YouTube.